Good morning guys. Today is our flight. Mahaba-habang flight ulit. Ayun, samahan niyo po ako sa aming paglalakbay. Good morning. See you there.
Motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty, that motherfuckers guilty.
Bye, Becca. Say bye. Sa airport. Aga-aga. Walang traffic masyado. Back to the reality. Good morning pala. Walang good morning. So ayan guys, 16 pa ang open, pero ang dami. Ayan, nakapila din na aking family. So antay ko yung trailer, wala pa. Ayan guys, open na, start na ng check-in. Pila. Okay naman. Maaga kami na parating dito. So, after dito, syempre, na ang immigration. Then, pag nasettle lang kami sa kanila, mag-breakfast. So, time check. It's 6:30. Ayan, check na tayo, guys. Ayan, immigration na tayo guys. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan, dito na tayo sa immigration. X-ray ng ating mga carry bag. Ayan, tapos na sa immigration. And kailangan guys ng Philippine passport, need ng e-travel. So kaya nag-fill up pa kami, natagalan pa. Ayan, dito na kami sa X-ray. Dito na kami. Hanap na kami ng gate. 2 hours din. So, ayan guys. Breakfast muna tayo. Waiting.
I'm gonna go right here. Coffee shop.
Okay. Coffee shop. Bago kayo punta sa gate, kain muna kami. Gusto ko ng noodles. Ramen.
You like pecan or you don't?
Cooking.
But don't eat the pecan. Take them off.
Ayan, kain muna tayo. Yung sila, nag-take out ako ng chicken and pork. Di pa daw sila gutom. So, just make sure lang. Sa airplane, hindi ko alam kung mag-gusto mo yung food. So, kaya, chicken. Ayan, kain tayo. Ito, chicken and beef. Thank you. And guys, first flight going Japan. Aeroplano. Pila. Pila parang may ayuda lang.
K, J, and H, and then 36H.
Japan Air, guys. Doon na naman siya, oh. Doon na naman siya sa may bintana.
Look at this.
So, yun guys.
What's your boarding class today?
So, yung magkakatabi ay yung isa. So, manood muna tayo. Actually, guys, Manila to Japan, 5 hours. And then, after Japan to San Francisco, 10 hours. And then, San Francisco to Houston, 2 hours. So, 18 hours din sa air. Plus yung layover, of course. So, 1 day travel. So, ayan. Another long flight. Ayan, guys.
Please place your baggage in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front, and do not stack items on top of each other, as they may fall out.
Okay, guys, wait, wait, go. Ayan, guys, nasa kasama. Ayan, guys, no, that's the butter. Ayan, first meal in the airplane.
She got mashed potatoes. Can I switch to them?
Maybe she don't want it. Taste it, Adriana.
Mama, can we switch?
That's it, guys. That's it. Waiting for the drinks.
高須乗務員は機長の指示のもと着席をしております。
Ayan, guys, kakalan lang. Japan. Thank you. Then after this, thank you. Japan to San Francisco. 10 hours yung guys up here. Pero mag-recover mo na kami dito sa Japan. 2 hours na. So, 24 hours din. 24 hours na lang. Flight natin.
Probably around over there. See the big United Airlines plane right there? See right there, that big plane right there? Going around.
Ayun guys, nasa Japan po. Japan Airport. Dito na para ka 2 hours din. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Japan Airport. Send to board. Diyan tayo sasakay. 10 hours yun guys. Kanina yung flight namin 5 hours. Manila to Japan. So ngayon nasa Japan kami. So Japan to San Francisco. So 10 hours yun, and then afternoon layover ng 2 something and a half. Same din dito. Layover ng 2 something and a half. And then Japan to San Francisco, and then San Francisco to Houston. 3 hours lang yan. So total lang sa air namin mga 18 hours. Plus yung layover sa 24 hours din or layover. And guys, fixing to board second flight. And dyan kami sasakay guys. Second flight.
Approaching our departure time. If there are any
First time magkakasama kaming
so that we may assist you.
lagi kaming lagi kaming hiwa-hiwala. Okay. So ayan guys, first time na complete. Lagi kaming hindi magkakasama. Lagi kami lang tatlo, ibang lang dalawa. So ayan, first time na magkakasang row. Anyway, ayan, sinto ikot maya. Share ko lang, nasa Japan, nasa Japan airport, no? So, hindi po kailangan ng visa dito. Connecting flight din po kami. So, meron kasing balita, I think as 2 months ago, na papuntang Canada. Since sila nakaalis. So, na-stop sila dito sa Japan. Kasi kailangan doon ng working visa. Anyway, pumunta kami US. So, hindi nga nila hiningi sa akin ang resident card ko. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. So, ayun.
We are proceeding with the all call.
Question kung okay lang na connecting flight. Pwede po. So, hindi ko lang alam kung ano nangyari sa Pilipinas. So, na-stop sila kung makabili.
Over the PA, one left armor
So,
right
hindi
cross-check.
ko alam, baka may warning list o something gano'n papuntang Canada, kaya na-stop sila dito. Pero ako, wala, hindi naman nila ako na-question. Dire-diretso naman. Bali, connecting flight. Connecting flight din kasi yun eh. Pero na-stop sila sa Japan. Dati talaga sa Japan talaga kami dumadaan. So wala namang nangyayari naman. So kaya nga may balita last 2 months. So Pero siyempre nag-alala ako kung iba na yung patakaran dito. Last year, last week, ano namin gawin namin. So yan, anyway, yung mga makakapanood nito. Connecting flight, no need po ng visa dito. Na-share ko lang guys. Ayan, may TV din dito. Ayun guys, ating malalate kami sa last flight namin. Ito-take off pa lang. Late na ng isang oras. Ayun guys, ito-take off. Makita. Nasa taas na tayo guys. Finally. Natulog muna. Ayan guys, let's eat. I think dinner na to, dinner. Pasta and chicken. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung pagkain. Yung isa din, ayaw niyang kainin yung pagkain niya. Good morning guys. Breakfast na. Ayan, only. Ayan. Ayaw niya nito. Parang noodles. Sila ayaw nilang kumain. Kain tayo guys. Isang oras na lang bago mag-land. And then, ayun, sa San Francisco na kami later. Then, San Francisco to Houston. Lapit na. That's it, that's it.
In the morning, still Monday, July 12th. And in approximately 40 minutes, we shall be landing at San Francisco International. Our scheduled arrival time is 10:40.
Pag-alis namin
We
sa
estimate
Pinas,
to be at the
12.
gate between
Pagdating namin
11
dito,
and 11:05
sa US.
approximately.
12 pa din, diba?
Today we are due to park at gate G as in golf number 5 on the international terminal.
Remaining time,
The first step once you disembark will be to clear immigration formalities. Once we arrive at gate G5, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoy your flight with us today. On behalf of United Airlines, the Star Alliance, and this San Francisco-based cabin crew, it has been a pleasure serving you. We'd like to see you many more times in the future when the skies are united. Thank you, and a very pleasant good day.
Dito na kami sa custom. Late na kami guys. Connecting. Ito yung airport na. paspasan, boarding na agad. 2 hours yung layover. Nakarating kami dito. Boarding agad. Then nga, ang tagal kuha ng bag. Then nire-check ulit. Hindi pa kami mali. On time pa rin kami kahit nagtatakbo. Pagdating dito board agad, hindi mo lang nakaupo. But at least hindi late. Ayan guys, papasok na tayo sa last flight. Papuntang Houston. Ito po yung ulo ng airplano.
Destination. Again, if you cannot find a space for your bag, we are a
Domestic lang po guys, kaya maliit lang ang sasakyan. May aeroplano.
again to help expedite the boarding process. Use only your larger bags and the overhead bins on its side to help store as much carry-out as possible. Find the nearest
Agad
space
ko
to
nang
place there.
pagbubuka.
If the overhead bins are closed, that means it's full with bags. Please refrain from opening this closed overhead bins. 4-hour non-stop service over to Houston, 3 hours and 12 minutes. Thank you so much.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you.
Last flight na po natin.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. The
4 hours
fasten
na
your
pala
seatbelt by
tuloy.
the metal edge into the buckle. Tighten by foot and at the strap. Lift the buckle securely. For the seatbelt.
Ayan guys. Ayan ang view ng San Francisco guys. Naman lang kami ng San Francisco.
There's another airplane.
Over there. Ayun, mas pangit lang doon. Nakahang lang. Sa hangin. Siguro maglalang din yun dito. Kaya nakahang lang siya lang. Ayun. Hindi siya gumagalaw. Traffic. Na traffic din yung bigla. Kaya may traffic din sila basis eh. Hindi naman pwede sabay-sabay maglalang. So, hangin sa likod. Minsan nga yung paakyat eh. Kaya ang tagal mag... Yung iba na rin din siya magsabay-sabay. Mag-take off. Yung iba naka-standby na. So, yun guys. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
You have to wake up. Mama said.
Hold here, hold. You need to hold. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hold both. There you go. There you go. 1, 2, 3. See, I told you you need to hold, right?
Happy to answer any questions you might have. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Si Gian. Kit-kit ni Dora. Hindi ka pa yung magkinto. 5 minutes pa yun. Tapos tagal pa sa aeroplano. Ako nakakalabas. Wala, bumalik pa talaga sa Kaya ko magpakita. Mas haggard ako sa kanila.
Say mama's where? Mama's purse? Huh? Is it? No, I said yes.
Ayun. Palabas na kami. Ay. Welcome sa USA. Come. Go in there.
Scoot over.
Welcome home.
Welcome back, Shrek. I'm home.
Yes, nandito na kami ngayon. Nasundo na kami.
Really? Oh my goodness. No wonder.
Wake up. We're here now. Still something.
Look in your seat.
Welcome home. Go up.
She looks so big.
Yeah. Sabi ng anak ko, it looks so big yung house na. Kasi galing kami sa maliliit na house. Pero yung sabi ko naman, malaki. Ano lang to, white. Kasi huge yung lahat. Guys. So ayan guys, we're here, we're home. And of course, I'm glad that we're home and safe. We have safe travel. So ayan, I hope you like our video from the start. Thank you so much for watching and see you